Electric source terminals are the points where electricity enters and leaves. Think of them as doors. One door is for electricity to go in, the other door is for electricity to go out. Batteries have terminals. These terminals are important for electricity to flow. Without terminals, our devices won't turn on. We have two types of terminals. They are positive and negative. It is like having two different keys. The positive terminal is marked with a plus sign. The negative terminal has a minus sign. We need both positive and negative to make electricity work. Connecting terminals correctly is important for safety. Imagine plugging a lamp into the wrong outlet. It might not work. If we connect positive to positive and negative to negative, then electricity flows. Incorrect connections can be dangerous. Always double check before you connect. Let's look at a toy car. The battery in the toy car has terminals. The plus sign on the battery goes to the plus sign on the toy. The minus sign on the battery goes to the minus sign on the toy. Now the toy car can go. This is how electricity flows from the battery to power the car.